Hair fashion hacks refer to tips, tricks, and techniques that can help you achieve different hairstyles, maintain your hair's health, and keep it looking stylish and trendy. These hacks are useful for everyone who wants to elevate their hair game, whether they are beginner or an experienced hair enthusiast. Here are some hair fashion hacks that you may find helpful. Use dry shampoo to refresh your hair. If you don't have time to wash your hair, dry shampoo can help be lifesaver. It can absorb excessive oil and leave your hair looking fresh and clean. Spray it at the roots and work it in with your fingers for the best results. Curl your hair with a straightener. You don't need curling iron to create curls. You can use a straightener to create soft, loose waves. Simply clump a section of hair with the straightener and twist it away from your face. Then pull it through the straightener. This will create a natural looking curls. Use a silk pillowcase. Slipping on silk pillowcase can help prevent hair breakage and keep your hair looking smooth and shiny. The silk is gentle on your hair and won't cause friction like a cotton pillowcase can. Create a day hair marks. You don't need to spend a lot of money on hair marks. You can make your own with ingredients you already have at home. For example, you can mix honey and olive oil for a moisturizing marks or avocado and egg